Shampoo and conditioner for color-treated hair cleanses and moisturizes, giving you wonderfully soft hair. It's your usual, daily shampoo and conditioner boosted with vitamins to restore moisture and shine, giving you the healthy hair you deserve. Why switch to perfect hair shampoo and conditioner? This extraordinary shampoo and conditioner formula is filled with nutrients designed to lift dirt and product buildup, designed to penetrate the hair follicle so that our vitamins can be easily absorbed. This hair treatment delivers a light, clean scent throughout the day. Key BenefitsGently cleanses and moisturizes. Get rid of hair gunk, leaving behind glossy locks. Color safe. It helps retain color by not exfoliating the strands or washing out. Colors.Food for your hair. Replace vitamins and minerals lost throughout your day. Let your hair grow. Nutrient absorption means encouraging your hair to grow healthier than ever. Simple natural shampoo and conditioner, a powerful blend of natural oils proven to replenish lost nutrients and prevent thinning hair. Cold pressed coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, KeratinBiotinVitamin, AVitamin, CAntioxidantsGinseng root extract. What it is formulated without: no ParabensNO, PhthalatesNO, sulfatesNO. Animal testing. Ever.Give your hair an extra boost by cleansing and moisturizing, all in one package with perfect hair shampoo and conditioner. Click add to cart now. Hair growth shampoo and conditioner, give your hair an intensive moisturizing treatment. Cleanse and renew your hair cell structure, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing breakage for a beautiful result. This cruelty-free hair care set comes with 3 bottles of shampoo and 3 bottles of conditioner, both sized at 400 ml/13 5-ounce each. Color safe and fade out free. Protect your treated hair, helping it retain color and shine, whether it's straight, wavy, curly, or coiled. This system is designed just for you. Easy to use, guaranteed. Just apply shampoo to wet hair and massage for 1 minute, rinse, add conditioner, let it work its magic for 3 minutes, and rinse. Instant moisture for your locks. If you don't love this product, you'll get your money back. 100% guaranteed energizing hair vitamins. Our formula is free of sulfate and parabens, using only a powerful blend of antioxidants from fractionated coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, algae extract, keratin, biotin, vitamin A, vitamin C and ginseng root extract, formulated to revive dry and damaged hair. Deep conditioning formula. This nourishing hair product infuses and locks in moisture, giving you all the nutrients your hair needs to fortify and revitalize it, providing protection from split ends while thickening every strand. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.